Hi everyone and welcome on the Rounded channel. So in this video today we'll see how to create a make integration. So basically after each call the transcript and the variables extracted from your call will be sent to your email address. It's how the automation works. So first you need to go on your Rounded agent on the Rounded app. So you need to create a tool. So I've called it call detail, but you can name it as you want. And basically, you need first to provide the API, the make API. So you go to your make account, your make integration, and you provide your make API. So you copy it and you paste it here. So then, and it's a post method, of course. Then you need to bring API parameters. So here you call it, for example, call ID. It's a variable, so here you click on variable and you select the call ID variable, which is a native variable, so it will be always available on Rounded here. So, and in your prompt you need to call it. So at the end of the call, before the hang up function, you say use the tools call detail, and you will send a webhook call to your make integration to show that the automation is starting now. Then you go to your make automation. So here's the first module is webhook, custom webhook, to show that so Rounded tells make that the automation starts. Then it's a HTTP make a request block here. So it will be a get method. So make will receive all the information from the Rounded agents. First, you need to provide the link, and the link you can find it in the Rounded documentation. It will be, of course, in the description. So it's this link. You copy it and you paste it in your make block here. You paste it, and at the end, as you can see, there is a variable, but in this format it won't work, so you remove it. And here, as you can see, make suggests the recognize the variable call ID from Rounded. So as you can see, make recognized it because I've performed a test call with the Rounded agent, with my Rounded agent. So in order to recognize your native variable from Rounded, you need to perform a test, and then it will recognize like that. It will suggest you the variable. Then the method, so it's a get. You need to provide a header. So you go to your Rounded documentation. You copy it, XAPI key. You copy it, you paste it, it's the name, so XAPI key. And for the value, you need to go to your Rounded accounts. Here, you go to API keys. Up. You create one, so new key, create, and then you copy your API key. So here, you paste it here. And now this block is well configured, so save. Then you have your Gmail module. So it's where you set up your mail that will be sent. So first you connect your Gmail account to make. So it's what I did. Then here you provide all the email address that you want to be that you want your mail to be sent. So it's my I provided my my mail address, and then you can configure all the subject and the contents of your mail. So in this template, I provide you a mock mail, but of course you can adapt it as you want. So let's see let's dive into the contents a bit more. So as you can see, there are many variables that I've provided. So to show you in the documentation, here's an example of the message that make will receive after the HTTP module, so the get webhook call. And as you can see, the agent, the rounded agents will send many variables. So like the ID, the status, the start time, and also the transcript, which is what we are interested in. So, and as you can see, make recognize all the data. So here in data, you have all the variables, and to do so, you need to perform a test like we did before. So you make a call and rounded provide all the data to make, and as you can see, it works. So you have the transcript here, and now you need to save, of course, all your module. So now our make integration is finished. I suggest to try it together with my rounded agent. So we run the tests, and we go on the rounded app, and we call my agents.
Hi, Jacques. Welcome to Rounded. Are you ready for your onboarding?
Yes, I am.
Great. How can I assist you today?
I want to know where rounded is located.
Our address is 5 Parvis Allen Turing, Paris 13th arrondissement. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you for calling Rounded. Have a great day.
Thank you. So I think my rounded agents called the tool details, but let's see in my yes. So I received the mail with all the transcript of the call and the information that I wanted. So as you can see, it worked perfectly. So now you have a full automation that allows you to have your transcript after every call, to monitor well your agents. So I hope this video was useful, and if you have any idea for other make integration, tell me in the comment section. I will read it with many attention, and I will provide you more automation like that. So see you soon. Bye.